The Earth is a perfectly round planet, or so we thought. But what if our world was not round? What if it was a different shape? How would that change our lives and the world as we know it? Let's explore this idea further. Let's imagine that the Earth is a cube. The first thing we would notice is that our gravity would be different. The corners of the cube would have less gravitational pull, while the middle of each side would have more. This would create a complex gravitational field, which would affect the behavior of objects and living beings. The cube-shaped Earth would also have 6 faces instead of 1, and each face would have its own atmosphere, weather patterns, and ecosystems. The top face of the cube would have a polar climate, while the bottom face would be tropical. The sides of the cube would have their own unique climates and biomes. With a cube-shaped Earth, the concept of up and down would no longer be applicable. We would have 6 cardinal directions instead of 4, and this would change the way we navigate and travel. It would also affect our sense of balance and coordination. Another major consequence of a cube-shaped Earth would be the way we perceive the horizon. On a round planet, the horizon curves away from us, but on a cube, the horizon would be straight and sharp. This would give us a different perspective on the world, and it would be both fascinating and disorienting. Finally, a cube-shaped Earth would change the way we think about our place in the universe. The idea of a round planet has been deeply ingrained in our culture and history, and it has influenced the way we view ourselves and our planet. A cube-shaped Earth would challenge this notion and force us to rethink our assumptions about the world. In conclusion, a cube-shaped Earth would be a fascinating and mind-bending concept. It would challenge our perceptions of space, time, and reality, and it would force us to adapt to a new way of life. While it is unlikely that the Earth will ever change its shape, it is always worth exploring hypothetical scenarios like this one, as they can help us better understand our world and ourselves. One of the most significant changes that would occur with a cube-shaped Earth is the effect on weather patterns. The Earth's atmosphere and climate systems are closely linked to its round shape, which creates a uniform heating and cooling effect as it rotates around the Sun. However, with a cube-shaped Earth, each face would receive different amounts of sunlight and heat, leading to varying weather patterns and climates. The cube shape would also have a significant impact on the planet's ecosystem. With different climates and weather patterns on each face, there would be a wide variety of habitats and biomes. This could lead to the evolution of unique species on each face, and it would create a rich tapestry of life on the planet. In terms of human society, a cube-shaped Earth would pose significant challenges. Navigation and travel would be much more complicated, as there would be 6 cardinal directions instead of 4. This would require new maps and navigation systems, and it would take time for people to adapt to the new reality. Additionally, the lack of a consistent horizon would make it difficult to orient oneself, and it would likely lead to a sense of disorientation and confusion. This could have psychological effects on people and could potentially lead to a sense of alienation or isolation. Overall, a cube-shaped